This is episode 1599. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary McLee, and I'm honored you are here, getting ready to meditate, one of the best things you could possibly do for your mind, body, and your spirit to feel happier about your life. Well, today we are launching into a brand new theme we'll explore all week long. The theme we're focusing on is releasing bad habits. All month long, we have been exploring the overall monthly theme of relaxation. We've broken down each week throughout this month of October 2018 into different aspects of relaxation. Well, this week, as we explore releasing bad habits, you will notice that when you reach a state of mind-body relaxation, you don't have as many of these bad habits. So it really helps to create new neural pathways in your brain. In fact, if you're wondering, well, how is a bad habit created in the first place? Where do bad habits come from? Well, bad habits are behaviors that become automatic as you go through the process of habit formation. It's something that you begin to think about and soon identify with, and very soon after that, you begin to actually feel a physiological response and emotion in your body when you think about or act on these bad habits. The good news is that although old habits are hard to break and new habits can be hard to form, bad habits can be broken. I'm sure you have broken bad habits in the past, and you will continue to do so again and again in the future. Some habits, though, you may not ever break. So as you go through this series, think about those habits that you may feel like you don't want to give up, even though you know they're not good habits for you, or that you feel like, what's the point? It's going to be such a hard habit to break. Focus on starting to unravel that bad habit formation that you've created in your brain, that neural pathway. Start to unravel it this week. What it takes is just a little nudge, and then a little nudge again, many little nudges, and pretty soon things start to shift. You can feel it. And that is how you release your bad habit. So why not start today, now? If you would like our full guided meditations that take you into a deeper level of meditation, you might want that, especially for a series such as Breaking Bad Habits. You can find this on our Sip and Om meditation app. We have the Android and the iOS Apple version, so we have you covered, whichever device you're using, and you can receive full access to the complete almost 1,600 meditations. Tomorrow it will be 1,600 meditations added there, absolutely free for 14 days. That's a good start in creating a new habit. So you might want to head over there and see what you think. You get a journal and a slow down guide with all the different techniques for the week organized for you there. So that's where you can find a way to go a little more deeply if you need extra support. For you sitting here or walking or however you're listening to these series, honor the journey, honor where you are, and begin to relax your mind and body. Close your eyes, keeping your eyes gently elevated upward. This will keep your thoughts uplifted. Feel your shoulders, your jaw, your stomach relax. And bring to mind a bad habit. Maybe it's something that immediately springs to mind, or you may have to give it a little thought. What would you like to begin to nudge away from your neural pathways this week? And as you think about this bad habit, how do you feel in your body? Do you notice where it seems to impact you in a physiological way? Do you feel tense or worried or fearful? Maybe your bad habit causes you to be lazy or to procrastinate or to be harmful or dangerous. How does it make you feel? What emotions arise? As you think of this bad habit, take a nice deep inhale through your nose, empowering yourself, knowing you are in charge. You can release any thought, any habit you have. Begin this process today. As you exhale, affirm that you are going to transform your bad habit. And now think about a good habit you'd like to replace your bad habit with. Bring it to mind. Feel it in your body. How does it feel when you think of this good habit? Sit with this habit. Get to know it. Become familiar with it. Allow it to settle within you. As you sit and meditate, you are so worth slowing down for.